Let me think of this as a seafood boil. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Okay. This is a big crab leg. Okay? This is a big one. Oh, dip it. Dip it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Safety first. So what I am doing is I am keeping the seeds for that. Because one day I'm going to do something with them. This is a bell pepper, if you didn't know. I cut my onions. I cut my cucumbers. Difference between, oh look, ta-da! Look at the brain, the brain. Oh, I cracked myself up. Okay, so we have gotten to this part. Let's put a couple of those, and then I'm just going to see if it'll pop out. Yep, there we go. Push it. Pop it on out. Pop it on out. Oops. There's our seeds. We are going to save them. Save our seeds. Look, it don't even matter. Because, look, if I put them in separate bags, am I going to remember which one is green, which one is red or orange? Oh, yeah. Look at it. One's green, one's orange. They said, you're going to remember us. So, we have our cucumbers, we have our bell peppers, and we have our onions. And those go inside of the refrigerator. So, y'all, I'm going to stop buying these salads because my salads be way busted. And I don't like the chicken in there anyway. And I don't really eat cheese and tomatoes. So, I'm going to start getting rid of those. So, as my adult age, I've just started eating croutons, and I love me some guacamole. Okay? So, crunch these croutons up, because this is my salad. There we go. This is my salad. Alright, so that's done. Okay. Let me give me a fork so that I can scoop up some of that guacamole. Guacamole. Stir it up. Stir it up. Whoa. Alright, we're going to put these croutons up in here. I used to hate croutons, but now I love them. I guess I grew up. My taste buds then grew up. I used to hate guacamole. My taste buds is growing up. Alright, so we are going to scoop some guacamole into here. Boom. Let's cover that back up. And we have, I love me some green olives. We have our green olives. And then we have our fake Olive Garden Italian. And some Parmesan cheese. Oh, my green olive don't want to open. There we go. Ta-da! Well, I'm the only one that eat them. I can dig in them if I want to. Now, yes, I should have rinsed them off. But I do like, that's what I like about the olive. The taste. Let's get this all stirred. And actually, we can eat it like this without the dressing. You know, doing, you know. Here, I'll put a little. I'll put a little Creole on there. I'm making a video. Boom. I'll put a little cayenne pepper. Really do. Boom. And then I'll put a little olive oil. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Do, 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 do. And that makes up a good old salad. Salad. A salad. Makes a salad right. Boom, shakalaka. Yes, okay. So, if I want, I can do this. Put a little bit of dressing. Just a capful. That should be good. And, yeah, we almost done with this anyway. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. And our salad is ready to be eaten.
And we are ready to eat our salad. It's a salad. It's a salad. All you gotta do is make it, man. That be my problem. I don't be wanting to make the salad. Like, I don't. But when I make it, oh. My salad is full of water, right? So that's a plus. Because you're supposed to eat your water as well as you drink it. I ain't been doing either. So I ain't going to tell y'all what to do. Because I ain't been doing that. I used to dance like this all the time when I was pregnant over Subway subs. And that's crazy work. Maybe salad just make me happy. I don't know, because I used to put loads of salad on there because they're like, you can't have all of that meat when you're pregnant. That processed meat when you're pregnant. Okay, give me an Italian sub with extra lettuce, like extra lettuce. Like, I just ate a crouton and it was delicious. This ain't the motivational video of the day either. This is just me eating my salad. So I gotta fix the pants that I'm putting on today, because I never finished them. When I made them, I was making them to see if I could fit them. And I can. Now I have to finish it. It's overall. Okay. Let me fake getting full. Okay. Let me think of this as a seafood boil. Okay. This is a big crab leg. Okay. This is a big one. Oh, dip it. Dip it. Yeah, some crab legs really sound good right now. I ate king crab. I think I ate it once and I didn't like it. But I want to try it again because I be watching people eat their seafood boil. Them king crabs be looking good. Their dipping sauce be looking good. Now I got my dipping sauce to where I like it. But everybody else's be looking good. Now I just be wanting to know, like, I know for a fact, excuse me, excuse me, I know for a fact, when I eat a lot of sodium, my legs, my ankles swell up. My ankles ain't, they small to that. Like, my ankles are really small compared to my body. I used to wonder, like, how am I still standing up? Because my ankles is teensy weensy tiny whiny, okay? But that's beside the point. But how are people eating those seafood boils and stuff daily, dipping sauces and stuff daily, and y'all ain't got no sodium issues, ain't got no cankles, y'all ain't got the elephantitis. Now I be seeing people that got the fat hands and stuff, fat hands, and but I don't never see people ankles and stuff. So I don't know. Are y'all really getting fat and taking the shot and stuff? I just want to know. Like, I'm not judging y'all, not at all. I just want to know because I can't eat one time. You know, I can't eat my seafood boil one time and then not blow up. Like, I blow up. And like, yo, you knew dang on well you shouldn't have did it. It tasted so good. Look, now I'm getting the word because it tastes good and you know what it does to your body. Is it worth it? That's my word for myself. It just came to me. Because it tastes good and you know what it does to your body, is it worth it? It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. But man, that taste be tasting so good. Or maybe, you know, like, shut up. Stop trying to justify it. Stop trying to justify it. Y'all, this was me earlier this morning. Writing down my prayer to God this morning. And this was me. I would write something and ask a question and then I'd come back and I'd just, like, what? Okay. Woo! Now that pizza that has some of everything in there. Had the guacamole, lettuce. It had everything but a cucumber. Oh, that was so good. Oh, that was so good. Okay, let me stop this here. We only got that much left. Because maybe I'm just sitting over here eating cute with y'all. Yeah. Y'all remember that Big Mama talk? Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna post this. But this is not y'all video of the day. It's only 1:36. So I'm gonna post this and we'll do another one tonight. Oh yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hype me up if you got any more for the week. But